Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Apple cider vinegar is consumed all over the world because of its many uses. It's used in cooking, in the home, for aesthetic purposes, and in natural medicine. Have you ever used it? In the supermarket, you can easily find different types of apple cider vinegar of different brands and at different prices. However, it's not necessarily the healthiest choice if you opt for the industrially produced versions. That's why in today's video, we're going to show you how to make your own apple cider vinegar. Here's how to do it. Apple cider vinegar can be made naturally at home from apples and a little water. Are you enjoying the video so far? Then leave us your opinion, because it helps us to know that we're making a contribution to you and your health. Please also like the video and share it with others who want to learn this recipe. If this is your first time making apple cider vinegar at home, don't use too many apples so you don't waste too much. We recommend using 2 large apples, preferably organic. Ideally, you should choose apples with perfect skin, without spots or bruises. Choose shiny and firm apples. Then wash and peel them and core them so they can be cut into small pieces. After that, put the chopped apples in the blender and add some water. The amount of water varies depending on the amount of apples. However, it's ideal if the water goes so far that at least half the apples are covered. Then mix everything in the blender until the apples are well chopped. Then you put them in a glass bottle. Close it and leave it in the sun at room temperature, preferably between 18 and 30 degrees centigrade, for 4 to 6 weeks. Make sure that the bottle isn't completely full so that the fermentation can take place without problems. After this time, place it in a wide container, cover it with a clean cloth, and leave it in the sun for up to 3 days. After it's been in the sun, the apple cider vinegar should be filtered and put into a dark glass bottle. That's it! Your homemade apple cider vinegar can now be used. Although simple, it's a time-consuming process, but well worth it. What do you think of this apple cider vinegar recipe? Have you ever made apple cider vinegar at home? If so, share your recipe with us. And if you do recreate this recipe, share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.